In this video, let us see how to create textured paint for different walls in a building. So let us now create. For that we have to go to Manage tab, and we have to first create the textured paint. In Materials icon, we have to create a new material which should be renamed as textured paint 1. So we have to change the appearance. So color is fine. We have to go to image. You have to just click on that. I have saved some textured which are downloaded from the internet. So let us select one. Okay, and now you can see how it appears. You can change the scene for walls, and you can see how it appears. This is how it would be. If you want to change the size, you can do it. You just click on that image, go down, and you can see the option like scale. Sorry, it should be 0 0. There's position, and come down is 1 feet. So if you want it to be appear bigger, you can change it 3 feet by 3 feet. This is how it appears. Or you can change it to 4 feet. Yes, you can see how it appears. Done. Okay. Now we have to apply for one wall. So let us go to this 3D view. For example, I want to apply it for this wall. So let us go to Modify tab. In that, let us select Paint option in Geometry panel. This is a textured paint one we have created. You just apply this, and the problem is here it is being applied to entire wall, not only this room. So for that reason you have to just remove the paint. So this option, remove the paint, remove this, go to this level 1. You have to split the walls for this. Zoom in. This is the wall we have created. So floor plans. So for this bedroom we wanted to create the texture. Choose Modify tab. In that you can see in Modify panel, split element option. You just cut this here. You can see in 3D, yes, it was cut. So now you can apply the paint. You just apply this. That is only being applied to this wall. So similarly, if you want to create for a different kind of texture, again go to, first you have to create the paint which we have to apply to the wall. So that is how it would be. Materials tab. So again, Manage tab, Materials panel. Here create new material. Right click on this, rename it as Textured Paint 2. Appearance, and you can choose the image which you have downloaded from the internet. I'm choosing this. I will apply it to the wall to see how exactly it appears. So this is a textured paint. Now we have to change the scale. That would be good, clearly visible. So go down, you change it as 5 feet by 5 feet. Is automatic. Done. So now you have to apply this texture to the wall. So you say okay. Now let us apply it to this wall. Okay, let us apply to this wall. And if you see, if you are selecting this wall, it is being selected. The toilet wall is also embedded in this. You have to just split the walls. For that, go to level 1, and here you have to split. Go to this wireframe view, and here you have to cut. Modify tab. Here in Modify panel, you can see split element option. You just split it here. Okay, let us go to 3D view. Now let us apply our textured paint 2 for this wall. So in Modify tab itself, Geometry panel, you can see the paint option, paint, and textured paint 2. This is what we have created. Just click on this and apply this here. You can see how it is applied. If you see, if you download the seamless textured wallpaper, then these joints will not appear. So you have to be careful while downloading. I have just downloaded a sample image, so it is appearing like this. So in this way you can create the different textures for different walls. Thank you.